Today, I'm going to run through a simple 5-step process on how to get your white sneakers looking brand new again. As you can see, mine are looking pretty sad. Now, some of the most common advice you'll find online is to either use household bleach or a combination of baking soda and vinegar. The problem is neither of those actually work. So bleach triggers a chemical reaction with the coating used on modern sneakers, as well as the glues. It can leave them looking yellow and damage the shoes themselves. And mixing baking soda and vinegar neutralizes both of the ingredients and basically just leaves you with fizzy water. To get your shoes looking brand new again, you just need to follow a simple process that gets the dirt off without doing damage to the shoes. So let's start with step 1. Step 1 is your dry prep. So take your shoelaces out and then get yourself a medium bristle brush like this one. And you want to just go over the shoe and get any of that loose dirt and dried mud off there. Now, if you don't do this, when you go over it with water and your cleaning solution, it's going to make a mud slurry that's just going to sink into all your stitching and make a mess. So try and get as much of that loose stuff off. Step 2 is tackling your laces. I like to get a jar of warm water and then a little bit of washing powder or detergent, and then a spoonful of an oxygen-based stain remover, something like Vanish. Chuck the laces in there. And then if I grab the lid and give it a good shake. Now I'm gonna let this sit for a while I do the rest of the shoe. And if you look closely, you can actually see the stain remover working its magic on those laces. Step 3 is to clean the uppers. And for this, all you need is some warm water and a bit of mild detergent. A little bit of dish detergent works pretty well. You don't need a tub as big as this one. It's just all I had laying around. So mix that up. And again, with my medium brush, I'm gonna start with that and then work on the uppers. Just trying to get all that dirt off there now. Anything I couldn't get off that was loose and dry before. You can also use a microfiber cloth at this stage to help get those uppers nice and clean. So that's already looking a heap better. Now for the fabric parts like the tongue and the mesh sock liner, this is actually where I want to use a bit of baking soda. So I've got a little dish here just with some water in it, and then I'm going to add some baking soda just to make a bit of a paste. So I'm just going to use the small end of my brush, or you could use an old toothbrush as well. And I'm going to use this sort of thick paste and just work that into those fabric parts. This is going to work like a mild fabric whitener and deodorizer, but without being too harsh. Step 4 is resetting the midsoles. Now this is the rubber part here, and it takes the brunt of the scuffs when you're wearing the shoe. So for that, I'm going to get a magic eraser and a bit of the soapy water, and then just go over those midsoles. And this works like a mild abrasive and can help get these looking a bit cleaner. And then with a clean, damp cloth, I'm just going to go over the whole shoe, get any of that remaining soap and any last bits of dirt off. And now I'll pop this outside to dry properly. With the shoe completely dry, we can move on to step 5, which is the finishing touch. And for that, I'm going to apply a white shoe cream. I'm using the Tarago shoe cream in white. And this is a really good option because it's got a high pigment density. It's going to help restore color to the shoes. It also has a matte finish. So a lot of them have a gloss finish, which you don't want. And it's going to help moisturize and protect the leather. Basically just going to dab it on the little brush thing that was provided and then just go over the shoes. And this really is the secret to getting the white shoes looking as close to new again as you can. So it really helps restore that color. Make sure you're getting it in all the creases and where all the stitching is. So I've worked that shoe cream into every nook, cranny and crease. They're looking a heap better. I'm gonna let it sit for about 5 minutes before I buff it off. That shoe cream's had a chance to dry and soak into the shoes now, so I'm just gonna give them a light buff with a microfiber cloth and get any excess off. And that's the shoe done. I just need to pop the laces back in and we're good to go. After your laces are done soaking, if you do find you've got a few little brown spots there like that, what you can do is just get your thumb in your fingernail and just work over them like that. And you can work out any of those last little bits of stain. I've just done one shoe for now so you can see what it looked like before and what it looks like now. And I reckon it's come out pretty good, pretty much as close to new as you can get for an old white shoe.